Simple future tense.
Hi, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm not sure. I think I will stay at home and watch some cartoon.
What about you, Jenny?
I will go to the park with my dog. He loves to run and play there.
That sounds fun. Maybe I will join you if I have some free time.
Sure, you are welcome. We will have a lot of fun together. What about you, Tim? Will you join with us?
Thank you for the invitation, but I'm unable to join you. I'm going to visit my grandparents. They live in another city, so I don't see them very often.
That sounds nice. How long will you stay there?
I'll be back on Monday. It's a long drive, so I hope there won't be too much traffic.
I hope so too. Will you call me when you get there?
Sure, I'll call you as soon as I arrive. And you, will you have fun without me?
Of course not. I'll miss you a lot. But I'll be happy for you.
Thank you, but we'll see each other soon.
Yes, we will. Have a safe trip and enjoy your time with your grandparents.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.